Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to a new video. Thanks to all the person that subscribe to my channel. Continue to subscribe, like and share. Okay, today I'm going to make some fried dumpling. My mother call it fried dumpling. Other people call it Johnny cake. Some people call it bake, but my mom call it fried dumpling. So today I'm going to make some fried dumpling. So this is 2 cups of flour. I like to add a little cornmeal to my flour whenever I'm making fried dumpling. Okay, so this is a teaspoon of salt that I'm going to add to my flour, and I'm going to also add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So I'm going to combine all these ingredients together. Okay. And this is some, I've washed my hand already, warm water that I'm going to use to knead my flour. Okay. And you continue to add the water until all these flour are combined together. Until adding my dough, and this is my dough, guys. Soft and smooth. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, and I'm going to finish make this dumpling, and when I finish make this dumpling I will get back when I started to fry it. Okay, so now, guys, I'm going to fry my dumpling. So I've turned on my stove, and I'm going to add my oil, about a cup of oil to my pot. 1 cup of oil, because you have to fry the dumpling them into a lot of oil, so it can, as if it is boiling. Okay. Okay. So the oil look like it is hot, and I'm going to add my dumpling in. See it bubbling up right there. It is hot. Now I'm going to add the next. you turn it over that it have a even, so it could fry evenly. As you can see, this dumpling is finished fried. They are floating in the oil. Okay. They had such nice golden color. To remove it from the oil, add it to my golden color. You can see it right there. Now I'm going to add the remainder of my dumpling into the oil. And while I'm frying my dumpling, if you are watching my videos for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'm going to turn my dumpling on the next side so it can fry it evenly. One side has fried already, so I'm turning this on the other side. So it could fry evenly. Okay. And this is nicely fried. Now I can remove from the pot. Just finished fried. And have a nice golden brown color. You can see it. Finished fried with a nice golden brown color. Nice golden brown, well fried, dumpling. And this is my golden brown fried dumpling that I have fried. I have other small amount of cornmeal for my dumpling. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.